hear them ask Faizal to do the Jumu'ah lecture.
Yeah, it's probably hard to stay drying water.
It's honestly 500 degrees Celsius for me in this black cloak walking outside in the road from the resort. We got to speak to the Imam about the local Islamic civilization that's on the side. Die wat nie wil luister nie, moet volg. And then I saw his foot wrapped up in plastic and I knew it was either replacement foot.
This is the best trip ever. We're on our way now again, moving off to the beach.
There's something new every day to do, so that's why I'm willing to partake in whatever comes up, because it's an adventure.
Well, if you call that losing, then I don't know. We only lost the last woman. That is not losing. And anyhow,
I asked him how the dominoes went. He tells me that you were absolutely hopeless. Was he really that good?
He's a very bad loser. But I think after that he had to accept.
My hand was dealt badly.
ayo, that's the saying, eh?
My intention was today that I was going to go on the jet skis. But as you can see, the water is dried up.
This is the closest we got Faisal so far to the shoreline.